Hello, welcome to Waypoint Survival. Today, I have two great hacks that I want to share with you for this Stanley 2-cup cook set. Stay tuned. Most of you already know that a very common hack for this Stanley 2-cup cook set is to take a Sierra cup or something of this design and nest it on the bottom of your cook set. And that works really well. But one of my viewers, Norse Falconer, sent me this great tip, and I want to share it with you. I also added one of my own hacks to go with it, so stay tuned. I think you'll like this. So one of the issues that you have when you put these two cups together is that this is quite loud and it rattles a lot. Now, for people that are in the military or for just people that are generally bushcrafting out in the woods and you don't want your cookware rattling every time you take a step, there's a couple of options. You could, of course, put a handkerchief around it and all of that. But what one of my viewers shared with me is if you take one of these very thin cozies that they sometimes give away for free and you put it on the bottom of your cook set until you have this. And what's great about this is it not only protects your Sierra cup from the soot that's on the bottom of this that's been in the fire, but it also slides together nice. Now, a tip for you, these seem to be in different sizes. I have several of these and I tried 3 different ones. One of them was so tight that I could hardly get it off. This one slides in and out real easy. So that is a great tip. And it doesn't rattle, just the top here a little bit, but you can see that it would be a great option for you. Now, there's one more hack that I want to share with you. This is just a common spoon from the dollar store. And so you can get 3 of these for $1. But if you use this cozy and this spoon, you can slide this in together like this. And your spoon will fit right next to your cook set. And now we have a complete set. However, this spoon is too long. So what you want to do is you want to cut the spoon down. And so here's one that I have cut down and I just drilled a hole in case I want to hang it off of something. But now, as you can see, it's still a decently long spoon. But when I put it inside here with my Sierra cup and I slide it down in, it's exactly the same height now as my cookware. And so it doesn't take any more space, it's still very compact, and now I have my cup, my cozy, everything's nice and tight, it all fits in together. This is James Bender for Waypoint Survival. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also make sure and check out the links in the description box below. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel, we'd really appreciate it. And when you do subscribe, make sure and press that bell button so that you can stay notified of all of our upcoming videos, and we'll talk to you next time.